Today, we're tackling one of the most persistent and costly problems in the partnerships industry: the complete lack of a standardized map for how value actually moves between partners. We all talk about ecosystems, but when pressed, most strategies are built on anecdotes, spreadsheets, and hopeful assumptions. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just why this problem exists, but the technical method for solving it and how a new category of software is bringing determinism to partnership design. Let's start with context. Why is mapping value flows so difficult? The partnerships industry thrives on complexity: multiple roles, overlapping incentives, and indirect revenue streams. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple: keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Generic tools like CRM or project management software fail here because they're built for tracking, not for modeling the dynamic exchange of value. The real challenge is moving from a list of partners to a living model of your ecosystem. You need to answer: who is the provider? Who is the consumer? What exactly is being exchanged? Is it leads, technology, co-marketing, or revenue share? Without this map, you're flying blind, unable to predict outcomes or optimize for growth. Now, let's dive into the technical method. This isn't about opinions or best guesses. It's about applying a formal, logical structure to partnership roles and their interactions. Think of it as a circuit diagram for your business ecosystem. Every node has a defined function, and every connection has a direction and a type of value. The key concepts you need are roles, value units, and flow direction. A role is a function like technology provider, integrator, or referrer. A value unit is the quantifiable thing exchanged, such as a qualified lead, an API call, or $1 of revenue. Flow direction defines who provides and who consumes. This scientific approach is fundamentally different from the common misconception that partnerships are too soft or relationship-based to map. In fact, the strongest relationships are built on clarity of exchange. Next, the software solution: map ecosystem roles to value flows. This tool ingests your partner data, contract terms, engagement metrics, and performance data to establish a baseline model. It doesn't just store information, it calculates the existing and potential flows between every defined role in your ecosystem. Every assumption is logged in an audit trail, crucial for compliance and internal review. Then, the powerful part: scenario modeling. You can ask, what if we change the revenue share with our resellers? Or what if a new technology partner enters the ecosystem? The software recalculates the entire value flow map, showing you the downstream impact on every other role. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a software company, a cloud platform, and a system integrator. Our software would map the initial state. The software company provides licensing value to the integrator, who consumes it and provides deployment services to the end customer. The cloud platform provides infrastructure to both. Now, we model a change. The software company introduces a new co-sell motion directly with the cloud platform. Instantly, the map updates. We can see the new value flow of joint sales opportunities between them, and we might observe a measurable decrease in the value flow of pure licensing to the integrator, prompting a conversation about new incentive structures. This isn't a claim of future success, it's a visualization of structural change. For compliance and reporting, the software generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports. These aren't dense data dumps, they are visual maps and narrative explanations that align with regulatory frameworks and internal governance needs, showing exactly how value is intended to move and how it actually did. In closing, map ecosystem roles to value flows brings unprecedented clarity and precision to partnership strategy. It replaces ambiguity with a deterministic model, enabling you to design with confidence, analyze with data, and report with transparency. If you're ready to move beyond spreadsheets and build your ecosystem on a foundation of clear value exchange,